Welcome to the second day of the National Cybersecurity Conclave organized by the Computer Emergency Response Team, CERT-In, Skillablers Bangalore, Information Sharing and Analysis Center, ISAC, New Delhi, Calicut Innovation and Technology Initiative, CITI 2.0, and the Center for Information Technology Research and Automation, CITRA of NIT Calicut. Today will be a very fruitful day for all of us. Welcome once again. All the volunteers, the student participants, my faculty colleagues, Mr. Ravindran Kasturi, and all the registrants to this particular function. Thank you.
It is my honor today to represent our institute, NIT Calicut, which is the host institute for this popular and innovative conclave. And I wish all of you a good time here at NIT Calicut, and I declare this conclave inaugurated.
So you all must be proud that this first thing what is happening here in NIT, in Calicut. And just one request, when you see the 10th or 15th edition in some other city of the country, go and acknowledge it and tell that it all started off here. Thank you so much.
So actually what is happening is, we as an individual are getting impacted with the rising trends in cybercrime. Apart from individuals, even organizations are getting targeted. So with that, I take this opportunity to thank all of you once again and wish you all the best. Have a secure day ahead.
If you get a chance to do social internships, please pick it up. The foundation has around 6,000 internships to work with various police departments across India to help cybercrime victims. We will teach you how to deal with all these things. Join these programs and change your life. Thank you.
You should be able to learn. The employers say that you give us students with good attitude, we can teach them. We have the people to teach them. That we can do. At least be ready for that. That is what we are going to do. That's why we are with Skillablers. There will be lot of things that we will be doing. Thank you very much for being with us. Thank you all for listening to me.
Preparing for cyber threats of tomorrow. Do everything you can to prevent a cyber attack, people, process, technology wise. As they say in the army, sweat in peace so that you don't bleed in war. Thank you.
Is the proficient language knowledge is necessary for cybersecurity?
I was coming to that point. So there are two parts of this, okay? So they have shared you their experience. Now let me also share my side of the thought about this. As a professional career, when you pursue, you need to have, especially in cybersecurity I'm talking about, if you are going towards the technical side of it, most of the times you are going to get the technical role first, okay? Then you can traverse yourself to various different sides of the story, okay? So three main things are very, very important. First, networking skills, that is core networking, okay? Computer networking is very, very important. You need to understand. Second, you need to have the knowledge of at least one operating system. So if you ask me, since I was a hacker and various other things, so I prefer Linux. Now it's up to you if you want to prefer Windows, Mac, whatever, okay? Now, the third thing that you need is any one knowledge of programming language. And if you ask me again, I prefer C++. I don't prefer Python. I won't prefer any other language. C++, because I can interact with the lower levels as well.
Can the cybersecurity interfered by artificial intelligence, or it has its own limitation?
So AI has a diversified use cases, okay? It doesn't stay away from any of your areas of focus, be it medical area, that is healthcare, be it your engineering, be it artificial intelligence being used for developing artificial intelligence, okay? Also, you talk about nanobots, nanotechnology, metallurgical industry, even robotics. So it is not untouched. Okay, it is overlapping areas. So you need artificial intelligence along with this, which will help you in speeding up your activities. It's not that only AI will help you to work with everything and anything. So you cannot say that cybersecurity can exist tomorrow without AI. There will be a overlapping. A lot of different tools will be used within AI and within cybersecurity. It will be a mix and match. To secure AI components, you need cybersecurity components. To secure cybersecurity components, you may automate a lot of AI using AI, right? So it is overlapping.
Would really help to start with. Someone just tells you to you raise your hand now.
Do the training program. 2 days you must give the malware analysis.
I need a clarification. Now I am doing a project in privacy preservation in deep learning. So it is come under the domain of cybersecurity. But in that project, I didn't use any cybersecurity tools, any kind of scripts, nothing. I was just logically securing the data like federated learning. So now I'm confusing that whether it is came under the cybersecurity or something different, or it is a new domain of cybersecurity.
Cybersecurity is not about tools. It's basically about how you perceive to secure your assets. That's what our panelist Shashank was talking about. Assets. What is your asset? Your computers are your asset. Financial aspects are your asset. What else is your asset?
Data is.
You yourself is an asset. For the company where you work, you yourself is an asset. Right? So it is about assets. And to protect that, you may use a tool. You're taking the support of a tool. It's not that you will completely dwell upon that tool, right? So it is about the asset, protecting the asset and continuing to protect it.
What I can assure you is that each one of you is capable of being a leader and doing amazing things.
So I had my Netflix account. The guy was somehow managed to get into my email and he deleted my Netflix subscription.
Okay.
That was paid for 1 month. Yeah, it was lost.
Okay.
And later I had to change the password and now I hope it works. I think it happened twice within a span of 6 months.